No point having a padlock
Well,
if you don't have a key.
We've got 41 minutes. Oh, yeah, look, this one. That.
It's a padlock. Well done.
No. Yeah, just a padlock.
This is massive when you're not on the platform. To think a train has the strength.
Padlock. Look, ready? Close it.
Oh wow.
No, look. I've got a padlock for free.
I just don't want to touch it and it accidentally activates, like, nick, and it activates and I get run over.
What's the key? What's on my padlock? The vault key. What do you think would win out a train?
Car?
Supercar.
Supercar?
Yeah.
Supercar. But trains are always better.
Yeah. No more. Oh, yeah.
What?
Really? Let's press down.
Touch the track? This is not electric, no. Nothing. It just felt like rough.
Oh, yeah. What?
Dad said get off the track. Not pictures, I'm recording.
Recording what?
Being bored. Got you and your padlock.
What was it? Padlock.
Let you take a picture. I'm just recording.
You recording?
Mhm.
Oh.
Train should be coming in a sec. I'm recording now.
Yeah.
Because I can hear the screeching on the wheels. Can you hear it? The screeching.
Yeah.
Maybe that red flashing on that light is something to do with it.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
What?
I came off it.
Hmm.
Wait, do you hear that? Oh, yeah, drill.
I think we should pause it until we think it's definitely coming. I'm pausing mine. No, I am.
Do what?
Ugh. Well, yeah, it's coming. Quick, James, record. You can hear it. Do you hear the horn?
I wouldn't start filming here. It takes ages for it to get across the bypass bit.
Ugh. Upside down time.
Remember, there's a 5 mile an hour limit on there because it's rough on there and it's to slow it down.
Mm. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh wow, I wish I was going on this one.
Oh!
It's a really old one.
It's the really old one, James. Oh my god. I haven't actually seen that one, like, going on track before.
We've watched that bit done, haven't we?
Yeah. Oh wow.
Whatever you do, don't stick your legs over the platform.
Yeah. Wow.
Jack,
Yeah?
and James, you got to promise me you're going to behave on this.
Yeah, we will.
Don't keep getting up, running up and down to the centre, alright?
Okay.
Sweet.
Whoa.
looked up on the internet to see what that was made.
What class is it?
I've no idea.
You should know.
It says 101 on the plate.
Yeah, but it's not a 101. I've seen it on them.
Look at the two different look.
I know, they're really the same. But
Yeah, they are identical.
I know, but on the site I've seen it's not a 101. That isn't. I've seen it on the site. Oh, if only it was a first class on it, that'd be awesome. Fine, whatever. Yeah, I know, but remember DMU first classes?
Yeah, well, you missed them, eh? I would have gone on the front.
Okay.
Don't lose them. Don't forget to see it. Alright, I'll see you. Get on the train and
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Okay. First class. I don't know though. We get to be closer to the driver. Oh. Oh, these chairs are so cool. Yeah. Get to stick our head out of the window, that's what. No, that's what you do on trains, James. You get to, because loads of people do it. You stick your head out the window and see, like, if you're going to do it, try not to drop the phone.
I'm not doing it.
I don't know. The person likes a whole bunch of.
Hello. Oh, this bar.
See, look.
You want any money?
Money? No. No money.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. What? Mid Norfolk Railway, yeah. By the way, I'm recording.
What is that?
Yeah, we will. At the bottom and stuff.
Wait, just look. It's got easy money. 33.50 times 19.50 for the minute. Does it go like a normal?
Yeah. Until it goes to look for some of that we saw on the way here,
Yeah.